chutties, today we are going to revise the sounds of the letters through some interesting activities. Are you ready? First, we'll start with matching activity, okay? Match the pictures with the correct letter. Look at the picture. First one, what is that? Apple, apple. So, which letter gives a sound? Yes, you are right. Letter A. Next one, ball, ball. Yes, letter B gives B sound. Next, cake, cake. Yes, letter C. Last one, duck. Letter D. Well done. Now, next activity. Find out the correct picture. Letter given. What is the sound of the letter? E sound, A. E sound, A. So, what are the pictures given? A owl, rainbow, a elephant. Yes, you are right. Correct one is elephant. Next one, letter F. F sounds. So, which is correct? Cat, fish, hen. Yes, you are right. Fish. Now, next. Letter G. G sounds. G sounds. Grapes. Well done. Next letter H. Letter H. H sound. Hat, bat, vase. Which is correct? Yes, hat. Well done, chutties. Now, next activity. Find out the correct letter. Listen to the sound and find out the letter. I will circle the letter for you, okay? E. Sound E. Did you find the letter? Yes, let's circle it. Next letter. I will say the sound, okay? J. Which letter? Yes, you found that. Letter J. Now, next one. Hear the sound carefully. K. Yes, letter K. So, let's circle the letter. Next activity. Let's color the letter. So, here 3 letters given. You should find out the correct letter and I will color the letter for you. Yes, what is the picture? Lion. What is that? Lion. So, which letter? Yes, letter L. Shall we color that? Now, next one. What is the picture given? Monkey. So, which letter gives sound? Letter M. Let's color M. Let's color the letter M. Next one. Nest. So, which letter gives sound? You are right. Letter N. Color the letter N. Now, next letter. What is the picture? Yes, orange. So, orange. Which letter gives O sound? Yes, letter O. Well done, chutties. Now, next activity. Hit the mouse and get the letter. So, hear the sound carefully and find out the letter. I will hit the mouse for you and get the letter for you. Okay. Now, sound P. Which letter gives sound P? Yes, you are right. Letter P. Next sound. Qua. 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 L. L. S. S. T. 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 Yes, you found that. Letter T. Next. Yes, letter U. Now, shall we move on to next activity? Yes. Next one. Now, next activity. Last activity. Fix the letters in the right place. Are you ready? So, molds are there. Letters given. We are going to fix the correct letter in the correct mold. Okay? First, letter V. V sounds. V sounds. V. Shall we place the letter? Yes, here the mold is. Now next, W. W sounds W. W. So place the letter W. Yes, here the mold. Next, X. X. Where to place the X? Yes, here. Next, Y. Letter Y. Where is Y here? Yes. Next, Z. Letter Z. Place the letter Z. Yes, we have completed all the activities. Well done, chutties.